Okay, I finished putting the food on. Here we go. I get some orange juice, some peanuts, Reese's, pasta, mac and cheese, chicken and roast beef, popcorn, water, and then some more peanuts to the back. So that's all I put out today. I didn't put anything else. I'm going to make this a little bit different today, just so you know. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to show you what we're going to do. So I'm just going to set this on the ground. Here we go. Alright, perfect. Here we Alright, so there were no birds today. Wow. no starlings or anything that I have here, so they were pretty afraid of that thing. You know, I might put that out again sometime, but I wanted to see if I could attract more crows by having another crow that looks just like it on the food pile, but that plan failed. It seems like the crows will only come if the starlings are eaten, unless there's a bunch of them that came, like the ones that came that one day when there were no starlings around. But yeah, and there's only a few Reese's right there, right? A few more Reese's. But the crows ate like all the Reese's. There wasn't a single one left. They ate like most of the pasta, most of the meat, even a tiny little bit of popcorn, but they wanted to mainly go for the Reese's. But they didn't eat the peanuts for whatever reason. I don't know why they're not eating the peanuts now. Maybe it's because my grandma hasn't put peanuts out for so long that they're not used to eating those kinds of nuts, maybe. And they're used to the Reese's because they've eaten that recently. You know, I put those out every single day for like 7 months, non-stop. So I haven't stopped putting Reese's out at all. You know, like my grandma has stopped doing the peanuts. So I'm gonna go and stop here. I'm almost out of batteries. And so yeah, and I just want to say maybe one day I can get a real crow that looks like this. But you know, maybe train a real crow. Well, I'm saying maybe train a real crow out in the wild, like to like stand in one place and then try to attack the starlings. You know, crow's beak is like the most powerful thing, like in its body. Like its beak is like, I mean, it can kill a squirrel in just one peck. It's pretty amazing. But they can really peck at it. Like, yeah, they can kill a gray squirrel. Hey, I'll even have it attack you right now. Here we go. Say goodbye.